British Airways 380 going over us. How cool is this? To see this is very, very rare to see it go over us. From Dubai, I think. Yeah, this is Speedbird 107, I think, from Dubai, about going over now. Look how low this bad boy is. Must be hear it already. Look at that. So that is a British Airways A380 from Dubai going over us, guys, heading into Heathrow. It's not Emirates, is it? No, it's BA. And we've got a 319 going over us. We won't get that one. We might, I don't know. That is amazing, guys. Can't believe we just got a 380 with British Airways from Dubai. Flown over here. There we go. Wow. I've got to say, this one is prettily, very, very interesting. Very, we can see it literally right that sort of direction. Speedbird, innit? Yeah.